Welcome to the knowledge sharing session of how to restore Zen. Okay, so if you can observe here, these are some of the crucial components that have got replaced. I mentioned this specifically to the service guy to give me back the parts. If you can observe here, basically you can see there is a rod connected by this is basically this part is called the connecting rod or the tie rod. Okay, this internally gets connected to the wheel through the bearings. Maybe not bearings, but yeah, this internally gets connected to the wheels. Now if you observe, there's another piece over here. This exactly is the rack and pinion system. So basically what happens is the movement of the wheel is getting moved through a kind of a chain, a kind of a what to say, it's like a chain, okay, it's like a drive. So basically the movement, the linear rotatory movement is getting converted into linear motion, which internally again through this rack and pinion system is getting converted to the steering movement, which is again a rotary movement. So when I say okay, let me put it back this way. When you move the steering, that moves the connecting rod, the steering column internally, which is connected to this rack and pinion system. This internally converts this movement to a kind of a linear movement, which moves the wheels. Okay, and when I see this, come this side. So if you see this movement, I think this is where it's become a bit. I would say there's a lot of leeway in the movement, but again, that being said, this should have been a little bit more tighter, is what I feel. But again, this is my observation. Maybe a mechanical engineer would be able to explain in a much better way. But again, for me, this I don't see there's any more life in it, and this one also looks very tight, and the rubber seals are gone. Okay, so this is the complete steering box that has been replaced. Now if you talk about this, this is something known as the lower arm. Okay, this is basically which connects the chassis to the wheel, which basically absorbs all the shocks that come onto the wheel. This is an additional support on top of the struts and the coil spring that comes up. So this is the wheel, this is the lower arm. On this sits the strut and the coil spring. Basically this up and down movement is absorbed by this lower arm. This has a little bit of life. If you observe carefully, it is about 60% gone. That would mean that the ride wouldn't be that smooth. Even this, if you observe, the rubber is all gone. So these all matter when it comes to smoothness of the ride. So this on the both sides